We are going to film this in the rain. There's something you're going to learn about this. Now, when you plant your grass, something happens. The grass you intend is sometimes going to attract weed. Now, the biggest form of weed that really disturbs, am I saying weed? Weeds, unwanted plants. They come and then they infect your lawn. Now, we did this lawn about 1 month back, and then we planted on Ginger. Now, that part you see, which is really very green, has a lot of weed. This is we are doing weeding. We've been doing weeding, then it started raining, drizzling. We've been watering. It's been a dry season, so we had to water this grass. This grass is in Uganda called Ginger. So yesterday, this part of this lawn, or this part of the compound, we call it a lawn, looked like that part down there. And if you're not very careful, that grass, which is weeds, can affect the rest of the lawn. It competes with the rest of the grass. Now, the grass we planted is called Ginger, and if you look at it, it's starting to spread out. When it completely spreads out, it can fight weeds on its own. But before that, you're supposed to help your grass. So what we have been doing this morning, that polythene you see has a lot of these weeds. We are using our hands to pluck it out. It is a meticulous process, and we throw it in there. We haven't reached that part, but we are going to reach that part. And this took a day and a half, about 6 hours of work. So we have this we have done this morning for about 2.5 hours. Then it started raining, but we are finishing this part. It will take about 30 minutes, and then we shall embark on that, which we think will take almost another 6 hours of just removing that weed. So when you're planting your grass, just know that you really have to put in a lot of time. You need to love your lawn. If you love it and you take care of it, it will look very beautiful. And you take coffee sitting down on a mat, on a place which really looks very beautiful. I have some other part here to show you. That happened before, and we did the same things that I've been explaining to you, and the results are quite good, as you can see. Now, this grass is nice. It's relatively healthy, although it has again a bit of weed, which is not the other type of grass. Now, the biggest the biggest weed you are going to work against is the one called crabgrass. Crabgrass looks like this. It is going to always disturb you, so you have to put in time. So when you plant your grass, give it time, after a month, after 2 weeks, and pluck out that crabgrass. So we will also need to do something about this part of the lawn. Thank you.